Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create custom vibration on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your contact list. Once you are here, search for any of the contact names that you want to create a custom vibration for. In here, once you click on them, click on Edit. And then in here, you will see that you can edit a ringtone and edit text tone. In here, you can choose as to whatever alerts you want this person to have as a custom. In here, you will see the vibration from synchronized to standard. In this case, you can choose anything that you want or would be a lot easier for you to remember for this specific contact. Or you could also tap on Create New Vibration. In here, you just need to tap on the screen to create a vibration pattern. Once satisfied, just click on Save on the upper right. You could even name the custom vibration so you could easily remember it. Click on Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.